Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to open your legit bank account in Emirates NBD. Open Play Store and search for Emirates NBD and then download and install this Emirates NBD app. Then search for Emirates NBD X. This is the second app. You have to download and install this app also. Once it is installed successfully, then open the first Emirates NBD app on your mobile phone, this one. And now in here you have to click on Ready button. So click on Ready and it will tell you to download the new app which we already installed, which is the Emirates NBD X. So we have to go to the Emirates NBD X mobile app. Okay. Now click on Open your bank account. Then allow the permission for the location while using the app, and then proceed to the next step by pressing the button. So you have to ready all these things. That is your Emirates ID card. You have to capture your selfie using your phone camera. And your salary must be 5,000 dirhams or more than 5,000 dirhams. So let's proceed to the next step. And now here you have to choose either you want to create a current account or a saving account. So I do not need a saving account for myself. I will proceed with the current account. If you need a saving account, then you have to check this box, that is to enable it, okay, by pressing the button. After that, let's proceed. Click on the next button, and here you have to write about your account type. Either you are going to get salary, or you are self-employed, or your status you have to mention here. Then here you have to mention your salary, that is how much your salary is. You have to mention that and then click next. Then read all of this and then you have to agree to all and then slide to continue. So let's slide to confirm the agreement, and here you have to choose your country, that is from which country basically you are, that is country of birth. So you have to search here. For example, my country is Pakistan, so I choose Pakistan, and then choose your country of residence in which you are currently living, which is of course United Arab Emirates. So I choose my country of residence where I am living, United Arab Emirates, and then I have to provide my marital status, either I am single, married. Then you have to type your phone number here. After writing your phone number here, click on continue button. So now ready your Emirates ID and then your selfie it will take during this process, and also your passport you have to ready. The first page of your passport you have to scan. Now here when you click on this continue button, so let's click on continue. You can scan live or you can upload from gallery. I will scan original. Okay, this is the best option to scan your original documents, that is your original Emirates ID and passport first page, and it will also take your selfie then. So I will click on scan original option. Then it will ask for the permission, so you have to allow while using the app. Then place your Emirates ID in a horizontal direction, that is in landscape mode, as you can see mine. Okay, you have to place in landscape mode. It will automatically scan the first page first. Okay, scan the first, or you can say the front side first, and now let's scan the back side of the Emirates ID. So now you have to scan the back side of your Emirates ID and it will automatically deduct it, as you can see here. Now click continue, scan original. Now we have to scan the front page of passport. So the first page of your original passport, on which you have your picture, your profile picture of the passport, you have to scan that specific first page. So do not move your phone too much and it will scan automatically like this. Then after it, click continue, and then now is the time that it will take your selfie. So you have to click on continue now. So after, when you give your selfie using your phone camera, you have to just point your face toward the center of the oval shape, okay, and it will take your selfie, that is, it will capture your face specifically, and once it is like take your face selfie, then it will automatically proceed to the next step, and it will tell you that his verification has been completed successfully. Then you have to click on continue after your selfie step. So let's click on continue. Now here we have to provide our email address, then check the box below, okay, and then click on continue. Now here it will send you verification code on your phone number. So once you receive it, you have to type that verification code here, which are 5 digits. As you can see, I received my numbers. I will put it here to verify my phone number. Then after the phone number verification, you have to verify your email address. They will send you 5 digits code on your registered email address, which we give, and you will receive an email with a code. So just that 5 digits code you have to put here. Now from here, first you have to choose your emirate. Either you live in Sharjah, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, in Ras Al Khaimah. You have to choose your emirate. After choosing your emirate, then you have to type your address, your, for example, your building name, in which building you are currently in, then your flat number. That's it. So I will write my address, you write your own complete address, and then after the address you have to write PO box number. As you can see, these are the PO box number for Dubai, for Ras Al Khaimah, for Sharjah, that is for all the Emirates inside the United Arab Emirates. So in which Emirates you are currently living, just write the PO box number here. Then click on continue. Then here you have to write your job title. So the exact job title you have to write here, on which job you are currently inside the United Arab Emirates. It will be mentioned on your Emirates ID, on your job contract with the company. And then after writing your job title, you have to write the complete name of your company. Then click on continue. Click continue, and then here you have to write your name, your own personal name, which will be on the card. That is, for example, the name of, like let's say your name is John Doe, so you have to type John Doe here. And if your name is, let's say, Peter Parker, then you have to type Peter Parker here. Then slide to confirm. So slide to the right side and it will confirm, and move to the next step. Then write your password, confirm password, click continue. Then congratulations, your account has been created successfully. Then click on go to dashboard. So your account has been created successfully. Just they show you a guide how you can use your account and the buttons, that is the user interface. Just click next, okay, the UI in which way you want, just choose from here, okay, click next, and yeah, that's it. You have successfully created your legit bank account in Emirates NBD bank. Then after 2 days, I have received my debit card, Visa debit card and checkbook from the bank. The bank and even the courier service delivery person will contact you on your phone number Please make sure that you have Emirates ID at the time when you receive this courier, when you receive this parcel, in which you have your checkbook and your Visa debit card.